Let's walk you through how to get the perfect fit step by step. Every Made Straps CTS strap kit comes with a premium rubber strap with quick-release spring bars, cut-to-size segment grooves, a deployant clasp, and a spring bar tool, so no need to buy one separately. Before you get started, you will also need a soft surface, like a mouse pad, microfiber cloth or valet tray, sharp scissors or a precision blade, a box cutter or a craft knife works well, and a cutting mat or thick board if you're using a blade. Cutting your CTS strap is simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Start by attaching both strap pieces to your watch using the quick-release spring bars. Lay your watch face down on the soft surface, then rest your wrist across the case with your palm facing up. Wrap the strap ends around and gently overlap them. What you're looking for is a fit where the clasp sits right at the center, underside of your wrist. Leave one extra segment on each side for your first cut. It's always better to trim twice than to cut too much too soon. Once you've figured out how many segments to remove, cut along the molded groove using your scissors or blade. Take your time. Each cut is final, and don't worry if one side needs more trimming than the other. Most wrists aren't perfectly symmetrical. That's completely normal. Slide a spring bar into the last hole of your trimmed strap, then install into the deployant clasp. Make sure the clasp curves naturally with the shape of your wrist. Install the spring bar into the hole furthest inside that gives you room for micro adjustments on both sides. Put the strap on, close the clasp, and check the fit. If it feels just a little loose, you're on the right track. You can always trim again if needed. If it still feels a bit off, too loose or slightly off-center, just repeat the process. Trim one segment at a time until the fit feels perfect. Here are a few things to watch out for. Always leave an extra segment at first. Start safe, adjust gradually. Wrists aren't always symmetrical. Prioritize comfort over matching lengths. Make sure the clasp follows the curve of your wrist and isn't installed backwards. And that's it. Once your CTS strap is fitted, it becomes part of your everyday style. Clean, secure, and built to last. Whether it's a day at the desk or a dip in the ocean, your strap is ready.